Go!
Hi guys, so today we're gonna do a spelling challenge with my little brother Eros. There's gonna be 3 levels. One is easy,
The other one is average.
and then the last one is difficult. And there's gonna be 3 words in each, 5 words in each level. So let's get started. My mom is gonna say the word and then we're gonna write it in the whiteboard. Whoever gets it right gets 1 point.
Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna win.
No, me.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yup.
Okay. Easy level. Number 1. Spell any. Any. Okay.
Done.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. You both correct.
And get one up here.
Oh.
Put one up. Okay. One.
Okay.
Go here.
Number 2. Spell. Anak. Umano ka dito. Yan, ganyan. Parang hindi nakikita ni Eros. Number 2. Spell find. 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 3, 2, 1. Wow! Correct! Oh.
Put one point up here.
Okay. Another one.
Hey, what's my mom?
Okay. Number 3, spell talk. Talk. Three, 2, 1.
Go.
Wow! Correct.
Get 1 point now, Eros.
Ano ba yan? Ba't kinakagat? Huwag mo kasi idiin.
Okay, number 4.
Okay, wait. And done.
Number 4. Spell both. 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 Not both na ano bang ka Both.
Easy.
Both.
Both?
Both.
The one that's by the...
No.
Yung both, yung B-O.
Yung parehas, both. Parehas kayo.
Same.
Same.
The other.
Okay, I'm not yet ready. Seriously? Just wait, Eros.
Bagal mo.
Hindi naman niya kasi na ano siya kung anong both. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
Very good.
Patingin nga, Eros! Hindi naman mo pinapakita.
Tama.
Okay, you're both correct.
Yay! Time for it.
Okay, number 5.
Number 5.
Spell 4. Number 4. Spell 4.
And the first one to write.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Patingin nga, Eros! Pakita mo sa camera, okay? You both.
Wait, the point. And Ate Iya got
Okay. Sa average level na tayo.
Sa average ko, 3 points. Oh no!
Okay, are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. Number 1, spell boat.
Bangka?
No, bumili. The past tense.
Easy. Oh, wait, no.
3, 2,
Ayan. Bakit ganon? Nakita mo, no?
No.
Hindi naman nakikita kasi
Ang
nakalaan
tagal mo,
naman.
be. May oras yan, eh.
Sabi mo kanina, wag oras.
Oh, bura ng bura.
Oh, wala na.
Talo na ikaw.
Talo na. Talo na siya.
Oo nga. Kasi ang tagal mo.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wala naman.
Oh.
3, 2, 1. Pakita nyo na.
Okay, this is wrong.
Mali.
Oh, wrong. Wrong, ate. 1 arrows. Average.
No. 3 points sa average.
Bakit wrong ka, be? Hindi mo alam.
Ano ba yung bot na yun?
B-O-U-G-H-T.
Yung bot? Nabili?
Yung nabili, oo.
Yung bot.
Bot. Ayun.
Big brain.
Kasi napapractice na to kaya ano. Pati pronunciation nila.
Naka-video tayo. Naka-video. Number 2. Spell picture. Picture. Three, 2, 1.
Go! Come on! You lost! You lost! No! You
3, 2, 1. Okay, you're both correct.
3 points. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
No, you don't get 3 points. Sa average ko, 3.
Number 3.
Wait! Where's my erase?
Number 3. Spell
Spell
listen.
this.
Listen. Listen. Listen.
Oh, wait.
Listen.
Why you picture people?
Listen. Listen. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Go. Patingin niya, arrows! Hindi ko naman makita. Okay. Both correct. Number 4. Number 4.
Number 4. Number 4.
Spell.
Labo yung ano, be.
What?
Spell other. Other. Ay, you're cheating, Eros. You're cheating.
Minus points.
Dapat
That's
kasi
minus
nakaano
points.
kayo.
Other.
Oy, tingin na. 1.
3, 2, 1. Okay, you're both correct.
Ow.
Don't wag ka titingin sa kanya, be.
She's cheating. No, I'm not because I was thinking.
Number 5.
Oo. Number 5.
Spell thought. 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 Thought.
One. Come on.
3. Ay, mali si Tamiya.
Ako.
Patingin na, patingin na.
Si Eros tama.
Tama si Iya.
Hindi. Thought. Thought.
Thought.
It's thought. Come on, bro. You don't know how to spell.
Thought?
Thought. Past tense ng think.
That's
Actually, parehas namang pero yung thought niya kasi, yung past tense ng teach yan. Okay, bonus round na lang.
Yay!
I'm sorry. You're
one.
confusing.
No, you don't have 2 points, bro. In average, you have 3 points in 1 word. Because I have a lot. He has a spelling quiz these, and he has to practice. So spelling bee quiz. No, it's a spelling bee, not just.
Okay.
Whatever.
Next, difficult.
No. This is a difficult round. This is more easier. Okay.
Number 1.
Heal.
Number 1. Accidentally. Spell accidentally. 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 Okay? 3, 2, 1, go!
Parehas
Parehas mali.
Parehas kayo mali.
No.
Double C.
What?
The correct is letter A, C, I, D, E, N, T, A, L, L, Y. Accidentally. You're both wrong. Okay. Number 2. Number 2. Spell embarrass. 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 Okay? 3.
No, not did that.
Embarrass.
I think I'm wrong.
Okay. 3. Ano ba yan, Iya?
Nice wrong.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Parehas.
Parehas mali.
Parehas. Mali.
Okay. E,
E.
M,
M
B,
Tandaan nyo. Sulat mo.
A,
A
double R,
double R. What?
A,
A
double S.
double S.
Embarrass.
Eros, tandaan mo yung sinabi ni Tata. Isulat mo. Sige, ulitin mo embarrass. Ulitin mo.
Accidentally and embarrass. Parehas kayo mali.
Wala pa kayong tama
Sa difficult. Okay. Number
Difficult
3.
5 points.
Number 3. Okay na? Are you ready? Spell guarantee. 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 Guarantee.
Is there double letters?
I don't know.
Dude, that's a hint. Come on.
Guarantee. Guarantee.
Sabihin
Guarantee.
nga si Eros.
Guarantee. Okay? 3, 2, 1.
Parehas mali.
Mali. Patingin ni Eros. Eros, patingin. Ano ba yan?
G-U.
G-U.
Gaun.
Hindi. G-U-A-R-A-N-T-E-E.
No.
Guarantee. Guarantee. Okay, spell number 4. Ano ba yun? Wala pa kayong tama. Restaurant. Restaurant. Huwag mo pakita, be. Restaurant.
I think.
Okay?
No, not yet.
Dapat pag
Not yet done?
correct mo yung mali nila. Pa-oo.
Oo nga, yun nga.
Okay. Aras. What? You're thinking. Come on.
Ang tagal naman, Eros. Restaurant. Restaurant.
Aras.
3, 2, 1. Tingin.
Parehas mali.
Ano ba?
Ano ba yun?
Parehas kayong mali.
Ikaw, correct mo sa kanila.
Okay, restaurant. R, E,
Pero sulat mo.
S,
Echo.
T, A.
T-A.
Hindi ka makita sa Eros, be. Sa ano, sa video.
Restaurant mali.
T, A, U, R, A, N, T. Tingin.
Turan.
Iya may A yan. Iya may A.
Restaurant. T-A-U.
Eh, yung tama kay Eros o restaurant.
Ano ba yun? Wala
Okay, 5 points. No, you don't have any. You got it wrong. No, I did.
Okay. Patingin. Kung tama.
What's your
Kung tama.
cheating? 1, 2, 3.
Dali. Dali.
Okay.
Okay na? Patingin nga kung tama yung sinulat nyo.
Tama nga nasulat ko.
Ikaw, pakita mo. Ulitin mo. Restaurant. Ulitin mo.
Yes.
Ulitin mo.
Is this what you're saying?
Yeah.
Next one.
Last one.
No.
Number 5.
Inulit mo yung restaurant? Mamaya ulitin mo pati accidental yung sulat nyo.
Number 5. The last one. Exaggerate. 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 Spell exaggerate. 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 Exaggerate.
What? Is it G? This is correct.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Wrong.
Mali.
Parehas. Ano ba yun? Wala pa kayong tinama. Mali.
What did you say?
Exaggerate. Exaggerate. Ano nyo? Isulat nyo.
Serious.
X.
X.
A.
Oh, wait. Hey, wait.
Double G.
What? G-A.
E. R. A. T-E. Exaggerate.
Go!
Ano ba naman yan?
Okay, do another one.
Okay. Ulitin natin to. Tingnan natin kung meron na kayong matatama.
Kung natandaan na nila.
Number 1.
Wait.
Spell. Difficult pa rin tayo Papaulit ko lang sa inyo Accidentally. Accidentally.
I think I got it right. Me too.
3, 2, 1. Ay, mali ka pa rin, Aaron! Atis!
Yay! I got 5 points.
Patingin nga sa'yo, patingin.
Tama si Iya. Ay, nasa vlog. Okay, number 2. Tingnan natin,
No, wait. I got 5 points. Gusto mo recycle na?
Dali!
Recycle.
Number 2 na.
Recycle. No, you're just gonna recycle.
Anong recycle? Number 2. Embarrass.
You got it wrong.
Okay na?
That's cheated. Okay, then. 1, 2. Okay.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Parehas mali. Kulang ka anak ng Ate, kulang ka ng R. Double R, double S yun. Oh. Number 3. You ready? Spell. Guarantee. Pag kayo nagkamali pa dyan, You're both 10 na. You're both 10.
I'm not 10, I'm 6.
No, 10. 10 correct answers. Guarantee. Okay? Done? 3, 2, 1.
Mali!
Ano ba yung mali pa rin kayo parehas? Okay, i-spell ko sa inyo. I-ano ko sa inyo. G. Isulat nyo.
No!
G.
A.
U.
What?
A.
A.
R.
R.
A.
A.
N.
A.
T.
T.
E.
E.
E. Isa pang E. Oh, guarantee.
Guarantee. Oof, oof.
Number 4.
T, T, T.
Okay na?
Yes.
Again. Are you ready?
No.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Okay. Number 4, spell restaurant.
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 Easy. Restaurant.
Tingin. Eros, tingin. Si Eros, tama. Ate, you're wrong. Kulang ka ng N.
No.
Ano yung exam? Ano yung in-spell mo?
Restaurant.
No.
The last one.
Oh.
Spell. Exaggerate. Exaggerate. Spell. Exaggerate.
Double G, di ba?
Madali itong makatanda. May kulang. Dito, kulang yung isa. Pero huwag mo nang baguhin kasi ano na eh. Oh, isa susunod na lang.
We always go.
Patingin sa'yo, be. Itong tama. Tama yan. Tama ba? Tingnan mo nga, fade out game na.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Tama ba si Iya? Tama?
Tama si ate.
Yes!
You're all 11. 11. Parehas lang kayo.
Parehas lang pala kayo 11. Okay.
Yay!
Kulang na isang G yan sa kay Eros.
Oo.
Oh, yun.
Okay. Ate na, mag-close ka na.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.